This will be a video tutorial on how to set up a new website in Dreamweaver. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. The way I normally do it, I'll create a folder on my desktop. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go up to New, straight over to Folder, and I'm just going to call this Website. You could call your folder anything you'd like. I'm just going to put down Website. I'm going to hit Enter. Now I'm going to double click on that folder to go inside of that folder. And inside of that folder, I'm going to create two more folders. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go up to New, straight over to Folder. I'm going to click on Folder. I'm going to call this CSS, all lowercase. I'm going to hit Enter. Now I'm going to right click again to create another folder. I'm going to go up to New and straight over to Folder. Click on Folder. I'm going to call this one Images. I'm going to hit Enter. Now I'm going to open up Dreamweaver. Okay, I have Dreamweaver opened up now. I'm going to go up to the tabs up top and I'm going to click on Site. Then I will click on New Site. We're creating a new site here. In the little dialog box that opens up here, it's asking me to name my website. I'm just going to type Website, name of my folder. And then down below that, where it says Local Site Folder, it's asking me to find my folder that I want to use. I'm going to click on the little folder off to the right hand side here. And I'm going to locate that folder that I just created. Right here it is. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go down to Select Folder. There's one more step that you have to take. The pane off to the left hand side here where it says Advanced Settings. I'm going to click on that. Default Image Folder right up here at the top. It's asking you to define where your Images folder is. I'm going to click on the little folder off to the right hand side here. Right here is my Images folder. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Select Folder. Then I will click on Save. Now I'm going to go over to the left side here, and I'm going to click on Create New. I'm going to create an HTML document. Make sure that HTML is selected here. Then you want to go down to the bottom here and click on Create. As you can see, I have some HTML code down here. I'm going to go up to File. I want to save that HTML document. I'm going to go up to File and down to Save As. And I'm going to name this HTML document index.html. You can name it anything .html. I'm going to go down to the bottom here and click on Save. Now as you can see, this little tab up here, it says index.html. That's the name of my HTML document. Now I am going to create a CSS file. I'm going to go off to the right here, the pane off to the right here, and I'm going to click on CSS Designer. If you don't see CSS Designer, then you can go up to the Windows tab up top here, click on that, and right down here you want to click on CSS Designer if you don't see it off to the right there. Now inside of the CSS Designer tab off to the right here, I'm going to click on the little plus symbol, and then I'm going to go down and click on Create New CSS File. If you've already got a CSS file, you could click on Attach Existing CSS File, but we're going to create one here. I'm going to click on Create. In the little dialog box that opens up here, it's asking you to browse for the location in which you want to create this CSS file. We're going to put it in the CSS folder. I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to click on CSS. I'm going to double click on it to go inside of it. And down at file name, I'm going to put my cursor in here. For file name, I'm going to call it style.css. Then I'm going to go over and I'm going to click on save. Then I will click on OK. Now I'm going to open up my folder here, the folder that I created. And as you can see, I have my index.html file. I have my images folder where any images that you're going to use, you'll put them inside of that folder. And then I have my CSS folder, which is linked to my HTML document. I'm going to double click on it. There is my style.css file. I'm going to go back to Dreamweaver here. That is the basics of how to set up a website using Dreamweaver. Thanks for watching.